Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Erica. And guys, you know that even say no one is subscribing to my channel, I'm still gonna continue posting my videos. Guys, why you're not subscribing to my channel? If you come across this video, please subscribe and help me, guys. I just cook simple stuff in my kitchen, simple thing that I cook on a daily basis, you know. And so guys, please patronize me, man, and subscribe to the channel. It is free. So guys, today what am I doing today? So today guys, I'm gonna make a salad. I have parsley, lettuce, sweet pepper, tomato, broccoli, celery, and I have a baked chicken in my freezer. I'm gonna chop it up just now to use to cook, and I'm gonna cook a pack of rice. This is all the rice I'm cooking, because when I cook 2 pounds of rice, it go in the garbage, and so I'm only cooking 1 pound. And so guys, watch the process as I do this. Yes guys, I know it's a lot of thing going on right here, but you know. So guys, thank you so much for being here. Thank you for watching the videos. If you come across this video guys, please watch the video. Patronize me by subscribing to my channel. Yes man, this is a little lady trying to do a thing on here to entertain myself while I'm home. So I'm washing all these stuff guys. I'm just prepping them and then I'm gonna wash them. Some of these stuff is for the salad and some of them is to cook up the chicken. So the first thing I do, I'm gonna prep everything and then I'm gonna wash them. Guys, I know somebody probably gonna say why I cut up this stuff and leave them the scrap on the counter. It's okay, I don't want to wash triple time, so I just put everything right here on the counter, clean off the counter when I'm finished, and that's it. So when I do that, I don't have to wash another plate or another bowl, because I just use everything on the counter, scrape it off, put it in the garbage, and get my washcloth and my rag and clean off my counter. So right here guys, I'm taking out the seed, out the pepper. Guys, I wish it was summertime, you know, because then I could plant my pepper seed. And where I want to plant some pepper seed, I really want to plant some pepper seed, but I have to go to the store to get some dollar cup, some cups are dollar cups, so I could start plant some seed for the summer. And I should keep some of these seeds, you know. I should keep some of these seeds to plant. And you know guys, I'm gonna take out some of the seed to plant. Try and see if they will grow. Because next week or so, I want to plant some seed. So right there guys, I cut up some pepper. So guys, what I'm doing today, I'm gonna cut up my chicken and fry it down or cook it down with some sweet pepper and stuff. Guys, we're trying to cook minimally. Try not to use too much too much carb. And so this is what we're using today. Sweet pepper for the salad, and also to go in the chicken. Yep. So today, let's see how this recipe come out today. There's something pop up in my head, guys. Yesterday, guys, I cook. Depends on when you see this video. I cooked, and I said I'm cooking for 2 days. For 2 days. It didn't last for 2 days. Whenever time I cook things and it tastes good, they eat it off in no time. And so, you know, I don't always have food left over for 2 days, no matter how I try sometimes. The only thing I usually have left for 2 days is rice. And so somebody blessed me with these. I start to cook 1 pound of rice. So when I cook 1 pound of rice, none of it will be going in the garbage. So everybody will take a spoonful and call it a day. So guys, I'm pouring everything into one bowl because I'm gonna wash everything. I have some carrots too, so all those stuff gonna go in the pot with the chicken. So guys, watch the process. I'll see you back when I'm done. I'll finish prepping. Okay guys, I have some baby kale and I'm gonna wash them. Pick out the ones that is not good, guys. So you have to pick them out little by little, so you know you don't end up with the one that is not good. So I'm gonna just the same thing with your spinach, guys. When you're doing spinach, pick them out little by little, guys. Don't just buy these things in container, wash them and use them, or don't wash them, because some people don't wash their stuff from containers that already come from the manufacturers or wherever they come from. But you should wash them, guys. Wash your stuff that you get them in container, but that means that they're clean. How long are they in the container? So you should just rinse them off or wash them off very good. Put them in salt water and stuff and rinse them off. So this one right here, guys, you see, I'm picking them out little by little and pick out, make sure I don't leave any bad ones in here. Couple gateway right here. So I'm picking them out and I'm gonna steam them. Because guys, as soon as you get these stuff, they spoil. So just so. One bad one right there. So you just do like this to make sure there is no bad one. There you go, the bad one right there. So you just pick out the bad ones. So pick out the bad ones, and as I said, you wash them with some salt water. And even if you don't want to wash them with salt water, still wash them. You know, so right here I'm just picking them out. Pick out all the bad stuff. Because no matter how you try, guys, and think everything in this package is good, everything is not good. So you just go through and pick out the yellow ones, the yellow leaf. I didn't even realize they have different kind of kale. So you're right here, you know, just pick out the bad ones, guys. Alright guys, I'll be back when I finish picking out the bad ones.